Take a fresh aloe vera leaf, peel the skin, and extract the gel out of it. Add about half glass of rose water to the aloe vera gel and mix it well. Pour the mixture in an ice cube tray, filling each section properly. Freeze it for about 1 to 2 hours. Once frozen, remove the tray, and the ice cubes are ready to use. Take one ice cube, and rub it gently on your face. Massage in a circular motion for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can use one ice cube daily. If you have too dry or sensitive skin, wrap an ice cube in a thin cotton cloth and use. Ice cube massage will improve blood circulation on your face, thus giving a natural glow. It helps to shrink large pores. The aloe gel can work wonders on your skin by reducing acne and clearing the blemishes and scars that get left behind. Aloe vera is an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory agent. This helps reduce your acne. It helps stimulate the growth of new cells. This speeds up the healing process for acne and prevents scarring. Aloe vera is widely used as an after-sun treatment because it is soothing and reduces inflammation. Take about 1 teaspoon of rice flour or rice powder, and mix it in with 1 glass of water. Then, pour the mixture in an ice cube tray, filling each section properly. Then place an ice cube tray in a freezer for 3 to 4 hours. Once frozen completely, remove an ice cube tray, and they are ready to use. Take one ice cube and gently rub on your face in circular motion. Then wash off with plain water. After washing your face, let it pat dry, and apply a good moisturizer or simply apply an aloe vera gel. Rubbing these ice cubes will improve blood circulation on your face, giving it a natural glow, and helps to tighten large open pores. Rice powder is an excellent ingredient to be used as a scrub. It helps the flaky dead skin cells leave your skin in an easier way. Rice absorbs all the sebum and leaves your skin clean, smooth and re-energized. Amino acid and vitamins present in the grain act as a clearing agent. It is equally wonderful to treat blemishes, fine lines and pimples that leads to aging. It also helps retain the elasticity and firmness of the skin to make you look fresh and young. If your skin is dry, you can use a combination of milk, honey and rice flour and freeze. It also helps to remove suntan, retains back your original color and glow. It diminishes dark spots caused due to sun exposure, repair damaged skin cells and makes skin healthy, young and flawless. Rice powder, when combined with sandalwood powder and lemon juice, makes an excellent skin glowing cubes. Its anti-aging and cleansing properties refine skin texture, remove impurities and excess oil, giving you a healthy, clearer complexion. But remember, do this just once in a week, and use just one ice cube. If your skin is too dry or sensitive, then don't use ice cubes on your face. Instead, try some other methods. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.